Good morning from Eastern Tennessee. The crew's all lined up waiting on me. As I talked in an earlier video about the chicken coop, this little gadget here has replaced 3 or 4 of the boys. It automatically opens and closes the door for the chickens to get out. They've already got out. This one looks like Walker. Now follow her in, see what she's up to today. This is her perch at night. I think I discussed it a little bit, but there's they call it an ice block or an ice plug. The one with the green light goes to the door opener, and then this one goes to the heat lamp. And then if it gets below 35, it turns on. When it goes back above 35, it turns off. So you see this morning it's 36 and it's already off. So did it keep you warm last night? And they've got 50 gallons of water. Probably no food. There's a little bit left in there. And the important thing is are they paying rent? We got 1, 3. Oh, that one's still warm. Oh, he's hit my head in here. Up to 4. 4, and then up 5. 5 eggs. I guess we get to stay here another day because we have breakfast. Thank you, girl. Thank you, girl. We'll let you get about your business because that's what I like to do. And on the bottom we just got wood and some leftover sheet metal, and we buried it on the outside with some dirt and rock. Did some chicken wire. Put the piece of paneling in there to help keep a little bit more of the heat in during the winter, and during the summer we take that piece out. But that's the chicken coop, and it's on the south side, so we get a lot of sun in the afternoon, and keeps them pretty dry. And got eggs. Okay, we're coming. Y'all ready? All right, let's go.